Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Smart. Today we are going to design a flat slab, that is the interior panels we are going to design with a condition that without drop is not there, and even the column head is not there, right? So we have a condition like design the interior panel of the flat slab. We have to design this interior panel having a size this much and without providing a drop and the column head. We will go for the different steps. We will find the effective depth by this spreadsheet. We need to only fill these data in these pink cells only for the correction due to the pattern loading, and this step is only applicable if the live load by dead load ratio is greater than 5. Otherwise we can skip this step, right? So we need to check for the pattern loading correction for the longer side even as well as for the shorter direction. Next is the design. Total design moment will be calculated by this sheet. Next steps is the column strips and the middle strip. You need to find, in the case of flat slab, you need to divide it in the column strips and the middle strips. Next is it will calculate the reinforcement. Final aim is the reinforcement calculation in the longer direction, along the longer direction, and along the shorter direction by